Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by clearing surfaces and measuring precisely. You need accurate dimensions to plan smart storage. Once done, prioritize items by usage frequency, because keeping daily tools within reach saves time and avoids clutter. Make sure to remove duplicates and impulsive purchases so that space aligns with real needs. You'll sort into 3 piles: keep, relocate, donate, and measure shelves and door clearances to the nearest half-inch. This makes the next steps faster and ensures fitted solutions will actually work. You now convert measured space into functional zones. Start by installing adjustable shelving so you can change shelf heights for tall bottles or short jars. Then, create task zones: prep near counter space, cooking close to stove, because organizing by use speeds workflows. Make sure to add vertical solutions like risers and pull-out racks to utilize the often wasted height. Once installed, test reachability and adjust shelf spacing. Move frequently used items to the most accessible zone and reserve high shelves for rarely used. You finish by packing efficiently. Place labeled clear containers and bins so you can see contents and maintain order. Once packed, test a full cooking routine to confirm reach and flow. Adjust placement if you find friction points. Make sure to use lazy Susans and slide-out trays for deep cabinets so items don't get lost at the back. If something still blocks access, swap items to a different zone or add a slide-out tray as a fix. That restores function without a full redesign.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.